So we're here at the Rockchip booth, and there's a new Android, basically just about Android wear. This is Android platform smartwatch, and it's ready on the 6321 RK6321. This is a dual core ARM Cortex A5 with dual SIM, dual standby, 3G. This is 3G, huh?
3G.
So is this ready for mass production? How soon?
Now.
Now. And this is what is this?
Got a PP now.
What is this?
It's SDK.
Software development platform.
Trace to the standby power assumption.
What is how low is the power right now? 0.0 is very, very low power. Right here, let me get on here. Let's look at the UI. Can you show the UI? Can you show? Okay. Okay. So you customize Android?
Yes.
You work on this UI? Nice. And with a round LCD. And there's some design house already working on this platform.
Yes.
Ready for mass production. Very.
7 IDHs.
7 IDH. 7.
We have got a 7 partner and lots of brands.
Nice. So this is a baseband from Infineon, right?
Yes.
The Infineon is basically Intel.
Yes.
Intel ARM with the Rockchip. And so how long is the battery life going to be? Because you show us very low power.
It depends. Depends on whether you light this screen. Standby power assumption is about 2.771 milliamp 3G only. For calling about 90 milliamp. So the power assumption is very low.
And this low power, high quality voice?
Yes, this is very terrific. Because you know, even for iWatch, the voice is not very good. But we got a terrific character for voice.
How did you do that? How do you make the better voice?
We have special solution.
Yeah? Special algorithm for the voice quality, high reliable baseband.
Really high technology.
Really high, and high quality baseband. So this is Infineon Intel, worldwide famous. So KK level shipment. What is KK level? That's million?
Million, yes.
Million ready.
One sound plus one sound means KK. Yes.
So there's a huge market for children tracker, right? The tracker, the only market that's working is children.
No, in fact, we can face to all the customers. But in this stage, we think maybe kids and sports. Sports, yes.
So what are you looking at here? This is a...
Sample is not good.
Yeah, this one? Sport.
For kids.
Is this the kids one?
Yes, kids ones.
So it's also very soon mass production, this one?
Yes.
And running Android?
Yes.
And can you do Android 5?
We do not to use Android 5 because it's first to 64-bit system. For this 32-bit system, we think Android 4.4 is very good.
All right, but there will be lots of customization, and the most important is the apps.
Yes.
There will be APK.
Yes, in fact.
Very special APK.
Yes, in fact, even your kids can use the watch, and for parents, you can use apps to know where he is, and you will know where he is, and
call him
at any time. And you also use instant message with him.
Nice.
You know. Hello， 我在香港参加，所以
Like this WeChat.
yes,
Similar to WeChat?
yes, and also you can manage the dial number, telephone number.
Nice. So there is a phone number because it's dual SIM card? Really?
Just one SIM card is designed.
One SIM card, but it's possible to do dual?
But it supports two SIM cards.
It's possible to make two SIM card design.
Yes.
And who's the supplier of the display? Is it Chinese or Japanese or Taiwan or Chinese?
There are some design houses in China, both in also there are some design houses in Japan, Korea, and Chinese Taipei.
So it's very busy right now to work on this platform.
Right, yes.
And all the apps can be like this. But what about Android Wear? Why not maybe later? The full Android Wear.
We don't want to talk about Android Wear. Yes.
Android Wear maybe, but right now it's just the Android 4.4 platform. And I think, you know, for example, the schools could have a special APK for the kids. And there's many opportunities right here for making special Android tracker APK.
Yes, in fact, this is really a new platform for Apples. You can use a lot of, you can write a lot of games in this platform.
Yeah.
Because you know some games use sensor to be like a bird.
Yeah.
You know, you can like a bird.
Nice.
You can do something like a tiger. That means science.
Nice.
Use special sensors. We'll get to special solution.
So already some brands are planning to release this.
Yes.
Coming very soon.
A lot of new technology company, internet company have very big ambitions in this platform.
Will be very big. The 6321 first announced last year, right?
Yes.
And slowly coming out. This is coming now.
Yeah.
For the smartwatch is the best for this.
Yes.
Not tablets. Not the phablet so much.
No. It's just a smartwatch.
Smartwatch platform. All right, and maybe you can even make a tracker for dogs and cats.
Yes.
They will have Android
your,
also.
Your dog's your pretty.
Maybe have a special application for the dog.
You will get your puppy's position. Okay.
You can have position of the dog, and you can maybe send a command to the dog. Come home.
Yes.
And the speaker.
Yes.
Is there a speaker?
Yes, it can.
Has speaker. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Cool. So it's possible for developer to buy this?
Yes.
Already, or only partners, special partner have this?
At any time now.
Anybody can have. How they can get? Contact the design house and they will get maybe.
We advise you connect our design house partners. Okay.